It's been a season of price hikes in Karnataka. In just a matter of a few weeks, prices of electricity, diesel, bus, metro, and now water has been hiked. So, how much more will you be paying for water in Bengaluru? For domestic use, that is individual households, the hike ranges from 0.15 to 1 paise per litre. The lowest hike will be for those who use less than 8,000 litres per month. This, however, goes up to 1 paise per litre for those using over 50,000 litres at home. For residents in high-rise apartments, the hike is sharper. Water usage up to 2 lakh litres will be charged at 0.3 paise more per litre. This can go up to 1 paise per litre for those consuming between 5 and 10 lakh litres per month. Meanwhile, for non-domestic and industrial usage, the price has been hiked by up to 1.2 paise per litre. This hike in water has once again put the opposition and the government at loggerheads.
Another shocker for Bangaloreans from today onwards. The Congress government, led by Mr. Siddaramaiah, have increased the water tariff. This increase is going to affect all the classes of society, let it be middle class, lower middle class, or upper class. And also at the same time, they have increased the water tariff of industries also, even after industrial associations giving representation to the government not to increase the tariff the government has increased. So this has clearly indicates how bankrupt the government has gone for in Karnataka under Congress rule.
The hike is about just 1%, right? And this has been done after 11 years. And when the water body has to supply water, sufficient water, quality water, it also needs to cover its expenses. And after 11 years, it is imperative that we raise the price, because basically for pumping purposes and all, lot of energy, lot of power, diesel, everything is used. And Mr. Modi is going on increasing the prices of petrol, diesel and gas. So it's imperative on us to increase it.
While politics continues to play out, seems like the common man's wallet will only get lighter. With video journalist Govind, Deepak Bopana for NDTV.